Join me as I take on the challenge of unlocking the secret to deep relaxation and getting the best sleep of my life tonight. Deep relaxation is the key to achieving better sleep, and it's an essential component of a healthy and fulfilling life. When we're relaxed, our bodies and minds can rejuvenate and prepare for another day, but without it, we're left feeling drained, irritable, and unproductive. Stress, anxiety, and the fast pace of modern life can make it difficult for us to unwind and relax. We're constantly bombarded with notifications, social media, and the pressure to perform, making it challenging to quiet our minds and calm our bodies. Many of us struggle to fall asleep or stay asleep, and even when we do, we often wake up feeling unrefreshed and groggy. We're not alone in this struggle. Millions of people worldwide are searching for a solution to their sleep problems. Our busy lives often lead to poor sleep habits, and it's a vicious cycle. The more tired we are, the harder it is to focus and be productive, leading to even more stress and anxiety. And the more stress and anxiety we have, the harder it is to fall asleep. It's a pattern that's difficult to break, but with the right techniques and practices, we can take control of our sleep and our lives. We've all heard the phrase, mind over matter, but what does that really mean? How can we quiet our minds and calm our bodies in a world that's constantly demanding our attention? The answer lies in the power of deep relaxation. By learning how to relax deeply, we can break free from the cycle of stress and anxiety and unlock the secret to better sleep. There are many techniques and practices that can help promote deep relaxation, from breathing exercises to meditation and creating a calming environment. Breathing exercises can help slow down our heart rate and calm our nervous system, while meditation can quiet our minds and reduce stress and anxiety. Creating a calming environment can also play a significant role in promoting relaxation, from the lighting and temperature to the sounds and smells that surround us. One of the most effective techniques for promoting deep relaxation is the 4-7-8 breathing exercise. Also known as the relaxation breath, this exercise involves breathing in through your nose for a count of 4, holding your breath for a count of 7, and breathing out through your mouth for a count of 8. This exercise can help calm your nervous system and quiet your mind, making it easier to fall asleep. Let's try this exercise together. Take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And breathe out through your mouth for a count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feel your body relax and your mind calm. Repeat this exercise several times, and notice how you feel. By incorporating this exercise into your daily routine, you can reduce stress and anxiety, promote deep relaxation, and unlock the secret to better sleep. Remember, relaxation is a skill that takes practice, so be patient and consistent, and you'll start to see the benefits in no time. To summarize, deep relaxation is the key to achieving better sleep and overall well-being. By understanding the common challenges we face when trying to relax and sleep, and by incorporating techniques such as breathing exercises, meditation, and creating a calming environment, we can promote deep relaxation and unlock the secret to better sleep. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your favorite relaxation tips and techniques? Share them with us, and let's support each other on our journey to better sleep. And if you're looking for more tips on enhancing your sleep environment, be sure to check out my next video. See you in the next one.